shit.
Hey y'all, we back once again. It's me, the Mighty One, DJ Ricky Hollywood. Always on the scene, always giving you the report first. I'm sitting here with my old school partner, Mr. TP himself, Troy Page. He was one of the quickest, fastest individuals that you ever see in
Aliens
your life.
Coompa never got whooped.
Tell him again.
Aliens Coompa never got whooped.
Alias Coomp. Yeah, he was a Coomp though. I didn't want to say that because
you know, Coomp got whooped.
yeah, but you didn't ever get whooped.
No,
they couldn't catch you, could they? Well, with all these big athletes and stuff nowadays. Now, when we was in our prime, how fast would you say your 40 was?
Back then, my 40, when I was running 40, damn, Rick, that's damn a long time ago, man. You know we old now, but my 40 was like 4.7.
Was it 4.7? I think it was a little quicker than that, though. To tell you the truth, depending on depending on who was chasing you.
Oh shit! I'm 3'9".
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'm 3'9".
Yeah, 3'9". Yeah, you're under 4.
I'm out of there.
Yeah, under 4.
Oh shit! I'm out of there.
Yeah, and I'm basketball skills.
Well, I don't know if y'all can remember this guy named Julius Irving, Dr. J, with the famous bank shot. That was Rick Hollywood. Dig. He used to shake that fro. When that fro moved, he moved. And he's gone. You tell my finger rolls? Ain't nothing like them donuts, man. He rolled them out, man. Just like the doc did. I think that was his twin brother back then. Like, 40, 30 years ago? Him and Doc, man, they played like shadows.
Right on. I never really knew that. I never really know that you felt that way, but I know I done felt many people up in my day.
I'm gonna tell you. But hold on though. Let me tell you about the damn flea flicker. Couldn't nobody do the flea flicker like he did back in the day. The flea flicker was the one. If y'all played football, couldn't nobody do the flea flicker like Richard and Big Bob. Big Bob was heavy.
Big Bob.
Big Bob. You remember y'all used to do the flea flicker?
I remember we used to do the flea flicker. I remember